Introducing the stunning 2019 Audi A7 Sportback 3.2 TDI 231 HP Q TP S-Line in sleek grey. This hatchback is packed with luxurious features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and a power boot close function. With top-notch safety features including lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The stylish chrome package and spoiler add to the overall sleek look of this vehicle. And let's not forget about the fuel-efficient 3-litre engine and automatic transmission for a smooth drive every time. Rest assured, this Audi has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Contact us today at michaelmoore.ie for more information.